Now that the Student Lighthouse team has been formed, they face their greatest challenge: to create a virtual assembly to teach students about the 8 habits. By combining the 8 habits, they will do things this year that no one thought was possible. We hope you enjoy the assembly.
You're good.
Although each of the 8 habits of highly successful people is equally important, being proactive is habit 1 for a reason. It's the base of all the other habits because without being proactive, you won't be successful in any of the other habits.
Being proactive means being positive when choosing your actions and attitude.
Being reactive means that you are not positive in your words and actions.
One of the most important ways to be proactive is using proactive language with yourself and others.
We asked Gracie if she would be willing to show us the difference between proactive and reactive language.
Let's see what she came up with.
What it's like being reactive. There is nothing I can do. That's just the way I am. That makes me so mad. I have to do it. I can't do it. This is what happens to your reactive feelings. Now, what it's like to be proactive. Let's look at the alternative. I can choose a different approach. I have control over my thoughts and feelings. I get to do that. I can do it. This is what it's like to be proactive.
Thanks, Gracie.
As you can see, when you are reactive, things get bottled up, and eventually your feelings and actions are going to explode.
When you're proactive, even when you get shaken up, you know how to stay positive and calm.
Remember, you can't control the actions and words of others, but you can control your actions and words.
Habit 2 focuses on beginning with the end in mind. It's important to make a plan and set goals so that you can be prepared for what you want to achieve.
We decided to show you how differently things can look when you have the end in mind compared to when you don't.
Check it out.
Having no idea what to wear for school. Planning your outfit for school.
Not studying for a test. Studying for a test.
Having no plan. Having a plan.
Never practicing your instrument. Practicing your instrument. Eating junk food. Eating healthy.
Not using a recipe. Using a recipe. And that's exactly why you want to begin with the end in mind, because the choice you make now will affect your future.
Hello, we're going to start using a new way to express leadership. It's called leader scripts.
Leader scripts are a new system we are using. If your teacher sees you being a leader, they will give you a leader card.
For example, if you get a leader script, you will take it down to the office and give it to the office teachers.
Then you will give it to them and your name will get put into a drawing for a prize. This is a new way for us to appreciate our Orchard Hill students who are always being leaders.
That wraps up our first virtual assembly.
Hope you enjoy!
Yay!